Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Great.
I hope
Fine, thank you.
yes, I hope you're fine, happy, and good condition now. Okay, Alhamdulillah, this meeting can be conducted for PJJ English assignment. And in this meeting, there are some great teachers will talk, share, and discuss here. And before that, I want to introduce them. First, there is Mr. Ahmad from Samarinda.
Hi.
Hello, Mr. Ahmad.
Hello.
Okay.
Nice to meet
After
you.
that, Mr. Edwin from MTSN2 Hulu Sungai Tengah.
Hello.
Okay. And then there is Miss Maulida from MTSN Tabalong. After that, Mr. Najmiati, and then Miss Maslia from MTSN Balikpapan.
Hello.
Okay. And then our topic today about how to create enjoyable online learning English and using the multimedia. I think this topic is very good because we have now, since the pandemic COVID-19, all of the school conducted online teaching and learning, but there are some problems the teacher face when online teaching process. For example, communication tool and internet working were less supportive. Some of students don't understand, difficult to understand the material, and then many students not present or just click the present on online class but leave the class. It may not follow the lesson. So those are the problem. Our homework as a teacher to solve it. And then this meeting we will discuss sharing or give the tips how to create the enjoyable online learning and using the multimedia. And for first time, I will give the time to Miss Maulida. Please, Miss Maulida.
Okay, actually, I am very low in technology, but unfortunately, in our school, we have operator. For help our teacher, we give a lesson our student with e-learning, electronic learning. We have CBT in our school, and we have operator. If I give material, and operator input the material in learning, electronic learning, like this. For example, I give video. And we have a final test in CBT2. The follow of the children is, we can see in my handphone. And it is very easy for me because we not correct with paper, because in e-learning is very simple, not manual, but by computer, like that.
So the operator help the teacher to give the
material.
Yes, the lesson. Okay, thank you for Miss Maulida. And then how about Miss Najmiati? Please, Miss Najmiati, you can give the tips maybe, or sharing how to create the enjoyable online learning.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Uta. It's important to make enjoyable online learning because many students feel bored in online learning during this pandemic. The way to make interesting online learning Teachers should provide interactive teaching such as online form and learning video. For teacher who don't have competence and skill in using learning technology, it will be difficult. But they can use platforms such as YouTube and Google. They can search some interesting videos and listen material there. That's all, Miss Uta, and thank you.
Okay, so the YouTube is help us for teaching, yes? Okay, thank
Yes.
you. And then to Miss Maslia, how about you to create the enjoyable learning?
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. I think we can make video for the topic before we give to them, and then if we can make a video alone, we can download in YouTube. I think that's all.
Okay, it means same with Miss Najmiati, ya. The YouTube and Google help us to teaching. Okay, now I want to know to Mr. Edwin about the multimedia. How to use multimedia for making the interactive video. I think like that.
Okay, thank you very much for your questions. So I would like to explain about my experience in teaching English that use some application or some learning media in my class. So there are some media in my class, especially in teaching. I can use WhatsApp, Google Classroom. Sometimes I use Zoom, but to make the learning is attractive for my students, sometimes I use Kahoot for my English class. So if they can answer quickly about my previous lesson in my class, so I give them reward. Sometimes I give them credit, means pulsa for them. So they study English attractively. So I use Kahoot for my English lesson. Okay, thank you.
Okay, very good. And give the present, yes, to the student like Pulsa and the other. Okay.
Yes.
Now to Mr. Ahmad. What is your experience to create the enjoyable English learning, and also maybe you have the challenging application for the student, so the student have more motivation to listen.
Okay, thank you very much for your question. First of all, in order to make an enjoyable teaching and learning, especially through this pandemic situation, the technology, and sometimes not all teachers are capable of making technological tool for teaching. So the key here is the willingness to upgrade our skills as teacher. If we keep upgrading ourselves, I think there will be less problems when teaching in this pandemic situation. Concerning with the multimedia that I have been using so far, some of the applications or platforms that have been stated by our friends here, like Kahoot, or you can also use Quizzes or Quizlet. It's for fun because it makes the students more competitive in the same way, or simultaneously they feel fun to do it. But you can also use some applications that some companies have made, such as Walmart. In this application, she can make some games. For example, true or false, and then the range, multiple choice, and etc. This is actually good. And you can also share this application through code to the students, so they can access to their mobile phones, and then they can compete also.
Okay, thank you for the information about the application. Maybe Mr. Ahmad can teach us how to use the application, because we are not knowing before that. And also with Mr. Edwin, because we feel very less about the technology. I think like that. I think enough for today for this discussing, and we can conclude that for creating the enjoyable learning, we must, as a teacher, we must creative and maybe look for the video, making the video and application for the student. Okay, thank you enough. And the last, I say you, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.